this letter again. We're going to go back over it, talk about the sounds it makes, and how we write it. Who remembers the name of this letter? This is the letter O. Let's say that together. O. And O says ah, O. Let's say that together 3 times. You ready? O says ah, O. Ah, O. Ah, O. O makes those 2 sounds because it is a vowel, and vowels make 2 sounds. It makes a short sound, ah, and then it makes what we call a long sound when it says its own name and says O. Let's see if you remember the name of our alpha friend for the letter O. Here he is. His name is Ozzy Octopus. Let's say that together. Ozzy Octopus. Ozzy and octopus both have that O sound, that short O sound, ah. We're going to watch a little video about the letter O.
This is the letter O. You can call it a big O or a capital O. There's also a small O, but I like to call it a lowercase o. Here are some words that start with the letter O. Owl, orange, octopus, octagon, oval, oyster. Let's put the words into a story. One day, an owl, an oyster, and an octopus was playing with one round orange. The owl took the orange to the oyster. The oyster opened his mouth, and the orange circle was now an orange oval. The owl wondered, maybe they can open the oval and make an octagon. Since the octopus has 8 arms and the octagon has 8 sides, maybe the octopus can make the perfect octagon. The end.
All right. So there was some information about the letter O, and I heard in some of those words, sometimes I heard the short O sound, ah, and then sometimes I heard the long O sound, O. We're going to do some more practice on our paper today. Here's what we're going to do today. We're going to do 2 things. We're going to write the letters, and then we're going to look for things that start with the letter O. So we're going to do the first part together. We're going to write the letters together, and then you're going to look for the O words and color them on your own. So get your pencil out, and let's get your name on the top. I'm going to put my name on the top of my paper. You can just put it somewhere up here in the white. But make sure you do that so I know whose paper it is. And we're going to learn how to write, or actually we already know, don't we? So we're going to practice it again. I'm going to zoom in a little so you all can see it up close and personal. All right. So we're going to start with uppercase O. Like I said in the video, sometimes we call that capital O. I want you to watch me trace the uppercase O first. We're going to go big, curve, C, and close. Pick your pencil up and do that with me. Big, curve, C, and close. And then we're going to use this line to make some other uppercase O's on our own. Big, curve, C, and close. Big, curve, C, and close. Big, curve, C, and close. O is one of the easier letters to write, isn't it? All right, we're going to come down and do lowercase o. It's just the same as uppercase O, but it stays under the middle line. Sorry, I had to go turn my lights on. All right, so watch me do lowercase o first. You're going to curve like a C and close. Let's do that together. Curve like a C and close. And then we're going to make some on our own. Curve like a C and close. Curve like a C and close. Curve like a C and close. Just stays under that middle line. Alright, now that we're done writing the letter O, I'm going to go over these pictures because like I said, you're going to do this part on your own. They've got an example up here. You can color the octopus, because that starts with an O sound, doesn't it? And then we're going to look for the other things that start with an O sound. You're going to do this on your own, so just listen right now while I tell you the names of these pictures. And then you're going to color the pictures that begin with the O sound. And if you want to, like we did yesterday, you can put an X on the letters that do not begin with the O sound. So it could be an A or an O sound. We've got octopus, ostrich, pumpkin, octagon, orange, on, cat, otter, and koala. Okay, so you're only going to color the pictures that begin with either an A or an O, and you can put an X on the other ones. All right? And then we'll be all finished with our letter, and we will review a new letter tomorrow. I will see you then.